Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the wrong date and time problem on Mac. Alright, let's begin. The first place you want to navigate is your Apple logo. Click on it and come down to your system settings. Now, go to General tab and down here, click on Date and Time. Click on Use Password. Enter your password and then hit Unlock. After that, the first thing you have to do is to make sure to set the date and time automatically. So make sure to check this box and then go down and do the same for your time zone as well. After turning them on your Mac, if you see that time is not really changing, then that means it's got to do with your location settings. Now, afterwards, just the next thing you have to do is simply go on to left side menu, and this time you need to choose your security and privacy. And after that, go to Location Services tab. Here, scroll down and just choose your system service and just click Details from here. And make sure to just mark these settings called Time Zone and System Customizations. So make sure to turn on these both options. And now get back to your date and time settings from here. Now go ahead and click on the date and time. Here, as you can see, our time has been changed. So that's basically how you can fix the date and time problem on Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.